To business news now. Mayberry's CEO Gary Pearce says it's still too soon for his brokerage house to branch out into commercial banking. The issue was raised during the company's annual general meeting held recently. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has more in this week's Business Review.
After more than 3 decades, Mayberry shareholders are calling for the company to apply for a commercial banking license. One particular shareholder explained that the company is poised to reap significant benefits from the move.
You're in so many successful ventures. Is there a reason why you have not gone into banking? Because it seems to me that if we have so many assets and our cash equities and assets are with other people, it seems to me that you should give serious thought about. You have now come of age, you are 34 years old. Why haven't you sought and obtained a banking license, like, shall I call names, like JMMB?
In response, the Mayberry CEO stressed that it's still too soon.
Yes, it has been 34 years, but we feel we haven't scratched the surface of what we can do in the space that we are in. So going that route requires a different skill set, and we're still building the skill set to try to be one of the best in the era that we are in now. So we feel that if we continue plodding away in the space that we are, we'll create more value to you, our shareholders, than to dilute our focus at this point in time with a commercial bank.
At the same time, Mr. Pearce noted that the company is one of the top-performing brokerage houses in the island.
For 2018, we were still #1 in both value and volume traded on the junior market, and overall, we're #2. So we're not only competing very well, we're ahead of most of them. As you remember, we had gone through a particular year where 100% of the listings were done by Mayberry. We welcome the competition because what's actually more important to Mayberry than doing a listing is to create wealth for our customers. So whether us or our competitor bring an IPO to market, it is expanding the market, which ultimately creates more wealth for all the customers.
With regards to expansion plans, Mr. Pearce disclosed that the company does not intend to open any other branch on the island.
The probability of us opening another office inside Jamaica is less than 1%. The reason for it is that we actually have several clients across the island. And where the market is moving nowadays, everything is done on this.
I know.
And the cost of signing up a customer on this is significantly cheaper than opening a branch.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.